In front of me is Blackview A200 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then use this icon of a plus at the bottom left corner and tap on Files section. Now you can click on Audio at the top, select one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those options. Wherever you decided, after finding your file, just hold it and click on Select at the top right corner to attach it. To add a video window, you need to tap on Gallery section instead of Files. Click on your video over here. Or if you can't find it, select Gallery section, look for it here, click on it and choose Add at the top right corner. If you still can't find it, select Gallery, tap on Folders and look for your video the same way you would an audio file. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!